All right, so it's like almost 8 o'clock at night. We're here for round 2 of fishing. Jacob and Greg. We bought more fishing rods. We are anchored. Wish us the best in luck. It's very hard to get in and out of this little ass plane to try to go fishing.
Ready to rip though.
Yeah. And we got worms this time. Yeah. Look alive, boys. We got a fish. Look alive. I gotta wheel my line in. You picked him up?
Got him.
Got him in?
Got him in, boys. He's ours.
Bring that puppy over here. Ew. Oh, that's like a maybe 4-pound bass.
No, dude, that's like a 3-pounder.
Yeah.
Dude, he
First
was like,
one. We've been here what?
Dude, it was like 3 feet from the pontoon, and I saw him come up and just got him.
We've been here 3 minutes.
Got one. Dude,
yeah. Caught my first fish here, like 3 minutes after Greg. Yeah, working pretty damn good out here. I'm gonna keep trying. I'm on the wing here with a fish. Coming.
Oh, he's a lively one.
Woo! Yeah, number 3.
Oh, you got that one right there.
Oh yeah.
That's a bigger one.
Yeah, we're keeping that one. That's like a 4-pounder right there.
Jacob finally got a fish, but it's pretty fucking small. Feel it. It's a start though. The sun is going down. We gotta get the fuck home soon. Oh boy. We got another one here.
Keep your rod high if you can. Where is he? Keep it higher. Keep it higher.
Do I tighten the thing?
No, well, maybe a little bit.
Oh, I see him.
The big chief. Oh yeah, it's not so bad.
Ew. Not bad, not bad at all.
Yeah.
Just a slob.
A beast. Good catch, good catch. All right, well, fishing was a success. We're gonna have to pack it up because sunset is coming, and float plane you cannot go with your night rating. It does not work. So time to go. Pull the anchor and back to Sudbury. All right, back in, ready to start up. Maybe overweight and balanced now with all the fish we caught. So we'll see if we can get off this little ass lake, make it out of here.